never thought it would. It's finally running after years of being broken. Not to mention, I talked to a maintenance man at this hotel a couple years ago. He said they would most likely never run this elevator again just because it was broken for many years, and they said they didn't have it wasn't worth the time and money and effort to fix it because they already have those 3 elevators and the 2 service cars that both go up to this level. But something must have changed because it's finally running again. It's got a replaced call station up here. That's Adams. The cab actually was replaced, or just they added these panels on the side, and this drop ceiling is new. But other than that, this is fully original. Can we see down? Look at that. All right, let's go back down, shall we? All right, and we'll look at the panel too. Interesting, I've never seen a Westinghouse air conditioning switch. All right, back down. What an incredible elevator. I cannot believe this is actually finally running again. I never thought this would run. Let's do one more ride. It's got kind of a rough start and stop to it. There's a nice view of Old Orchard Mall. Get this angle going up. Wow. This is a video I never thought I'd get to make. Wait. Oh no, I thought I could hear the relays, but that's just the click of the door sensor. Anyway, that will be all.